everyone, welcome back, or welcome in general. Today I am not a beauty channel. Today I'm a DIY channel. So there's this little like unicorn plush purse on Dolls Kill that I've had a crush on forever. And every time I look at it and look at the fact that it's like $50 fucking, I'm like, I could probably do that. So I found this video, I will link it in the description, and this woman just took a regular stuffed animal and turned it into a purse. And it was completely no sew, and I thought I could probably do that, so hey, I'm gonna try to do it, and maybe you can do it too. So I have, this is PJ. I've had him for probably like 8 years. He's kind of dirty. He's never been washed. You can see when I moved this back, the color of pink he used to be. I considered washing it for this video, but I just need you guys to know that I'm gross. So there's that. I have my glue gun already plugged in. It's also pretty gross. I'm not even 100% sure that it works properly, but for the intents and purposes of this video, we're gonna make it work. I have this chain that I'm going to try to use as the strap. I don't think it'll look that great, but it's what I got. I also bought this other chain. Thought about maybe doing that. I don't know, maybe this one because it's longer. It came with another purse, so I'm gonna use that. And then we need some kind of fabric for the inside lining. So I just have like this old Hello Kitty t-shirt I bought in the children's section because I am a child. And then you need a zipper, and I didn't have any. I didn't make any attempt to go to the craft store because I was trying to be like extra crafty and just use what I have around the house. So I ripped apart a fake Gucci wallet and took this zipper off of it. So we're going to attempt to throw this together and make something sort of passable. So let's try to get some of the lint. Yeah, I would recommend not using an old dirty stuffed animal, but why not? I also have an X-Acto knife because that's safe. And some scissors that I've also had for probably 10 years. They're also very dirty. Everything I have is very dirty. I feel like that's going to be a very important part of making this project work. Just make sure all your stuff is gross and you'll be fine. So to start, I'm just going to take this X-Acto knife. I don't even know what all you can see. I tried really hard to make this setup work, but I don't think it's going to. But it'll be fine. We're fine. I'm going to take this, there's like a seam on the back. What she did was she just cut into that seam. So I'm going to try to do that. He's very furry, so it's kind of hard to see where it is. I got a little hole going. Maybe from that hole I can just kind of rip it. Usually the X-Acto knife is like a little better for tearing seams, so I thought that would work better than using scissors. Because once you get like a hole going, it kind of like rips on its own. Now that PJ has been gutted, I guess we just take like some of the stuffing out, like enough to make a little pocket. This unicorn came from, like, Kroger during Valentine's Day. I don't know how much to take out. I'm just going to try to, like, disperse it a little bit, maybe. That's about right, isn't it? Maybe? I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so now we need some kind of fabric on the inside of this, so I'm going to take this t-shirt. The shirt is actually clean, so that's good. I guess I'm going to try to just cut, like, a little square. I don't really know how I should do this, how big I should make it. These scissors do not work very well at all. Some scissors that I've also had for probably 10 years. I'm just going to kind of wing it, because like it doesn't have to look pretty or anything. It's going to be on the inside of it, like nobody's going to see it. That is terrible. Wow. I have a feeling this entire video is going to get scrapped. Okay, well, maybe if it was less crooked, it could work. I feel like that's probably as good as it's gonna get. Just like stuff it in there and see. I feel like that'll fit. And it matches because it's pink. Okay, now this part's gonna be really hard. I guess I'm supposed to take the glue gun and like glue that to the inside to make like the inside-y part. The inside-y part.
The inside-y part?
This is already a lot harder than what I thought it would be. I guess I'm just gonna, maybe if I just put the glue like this and then attach the inside. I'm finding dog hair on the inside of this stuffed animal, and I don't even know how that's possible. Okay, there's one little teeny tiny bit. I'm just gonna keep trying to glue that around the perimeter of the inside. So far, so good. It's not perfect, but none of us are. I feel like once I get around to the other side, if there's too much extra fabric, maybe I can cut it. That's what we have so far. I feel like that's pretty good. Maybe this will actually turn out okay. This glue smells like dirty vagina. Okay. Got somebody in a big fucking yee truck driving up the road. That'll be great in this video. It's amazing how much hot glue can do. Okay, so now it's done all on the outside, but I don't want to like make the mistake of not making the pocket deep enough. So I guess I'm going to kind of shove this in where I need it. It's like it's too much fabric, but at the same time it's not enough fabric. Like, I have no idea what I did. I feel like in the video I watched, she might have taken like actual measurements and like did it proper, but that's not what we do on my channel. On my channel we like to wing it. So that's what I'm doing. And so far it's not terrible. Okay, so I got it about where I want it, and then I'm just going to take whatever is left. And it's going to be a little jankety, but again, no one's going to see it on the inside. So I'm just going to, it's hard to do up here by the mane. I'm just going to slap a bunch of glue on it and hope for the best. Ow, 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 ow. Please be careful when using a hot glue gun. Okay, I think that's pretty okay. It's not going to be able to hold much, but if you're like going to a show or something. I'm getting it all over me. Okay, yay, that's cute. So there's the inside pocket. I think I did a pretty okay job. I'm like, you could fit something in there. I think at least my wallet would fit. I feel like I could always go back and like, where this is just hot glue, you could probably just rip this out and like tweak it. Okay, now the part I'm worried about is the zipper, because obviously this is way too long, so I'm going to have to try to cut it to size somehow. Don't know how to do that. I feel like it would start about here, then end like right there. Can I just like cut it and see what happens? Just like cut it and see what happens. Oh, okay. Maybe because it's cheap. That was way easier than I was expecting. Okay. So, you're supposed to, like, glue this like that and be very careful. I do not trust myself to do this. Let's start with the back side, since I feel like that's probably easier. I guess I'm gonna... You don't want to get glue on the zipper that, like, ruins this whole operation. Okay, I guess let's just take little bits. Just go really slow like we did with the lining. I feel like with all his fur, it's gonna get caught in the zipper. Should I, like, trim the fur? I'm just gonna trim some of these longer furs, I think. I think maybe that would help. Because I don't know if I'd ever actually carry this, but I'd like to at least have the option. I want it to be functional. The zipper might still be too long. Maybe I should have started from the front. Okay, now I've made it to the point of the top, and, like, I don't even know what to do. Should I cut right here, like the mane a little bit? To get it out of the way? I feel like I can do this. I feel like I ended up attaching it more to the fur than like the inside lining right here. Okay, now we gotta attach it on the other side. There's what I got so far. This is a very ugly zipper, but again, it was my only option because I do not prepare for my videos. Like a real YouTuber. I don't even know how to... Should I open it? Okay, opening it helped, I think. Trying to work really slow. This is starting to get really hard. I feel like right here I got it a little too close to the zipper, but I have faith that it'll be okay. Maybe? Maybe if I try to, like, instead of putting the glue on the inside, maybe if I just put the glue on the zipper. Oh, I used way too much glue. This project is a freaking mess. This was a horrible idea. All I wanted was to be a DIY channel for once. I just wanted to be 5-minute crafts. Oh, I think I got it. I think we're done. Okay, yay, there's the zipper. Now, is it functional? It may not be because I have stray bits of glue all over the place.
Around me are familiar faces, worn out.
That's a fail. Okay. I broke it. I feel like I can fix it, maybe. Okay. This is going so well. Really glad I decided to film this video. Yeah, I don't think there's any fixing that. This was going really well up until I just yoinked off the zipper, and I had a feeling I was going to do that because I did it earlier and I was able to get it back on there. But now that the zipper's in the unicorn, I don't think there's much I can really do unless I take the whole thing back off and redo it, and I don't want to do that. A piece of the zipper just broke off entirely. Maybe if I try to go from the bottom? I give up. It was going well up until that point, because, I mean, the rest of it worked. I guess I'm just going to have to rip out the zipper and put some kind of button or something. Let's just move on to the strap. Now, I would, like, put a hole in it with, like, some grommets or something to make, like, a good sturdy strap. These have little clasps, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to hook that there. And then maybe hook it around the tail. Yeah, that works. This tag, we'll cut that off real quick. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Alright, let's, stick stuff in it. What'll fit? A hairbrush. That doesn't really fit. What else might fit? Got a wristband. Got this little waist measure BMI calculation thing. Because I hate my body. Look at her go. Unicorn purse. It technically worked. You know, this actually looks really cute, and I'm really bummed that the zipper did me dirty like that. So, maybe I have a ton of buttons and stuff lying around. Maybe I'll just take the zipper out and fix it, but I mean, it worked. It was simple. The lining is fine. The glue is stronger than what you would expect it to be on a stuffed animal. I guess because it's fabric? I don't know. This was terrible. I give up. She tried. Okay. Well, thanks for watching anyways. Sorry I'm an idiot. There's nothing we can do about that. Don't expect my videos to get any better because they never will, and that's a promise. Okay, I'll see you guys next Monday. I love you. Have fun. Be safe. Look both ways before you cross the street, and I'll see you next Monday.